with a gentle approach, the body responds. It responds to love. You don't have to whip yourself. Not at all. Never. Not required. No pain, no gain is serving somebody else's interest, not yours. Seriously, people don't reach any place in life anyways with pain. So the secret of Om is a secret of your creation. It is happening. It's a phenomenon that is happening all the time. There are many variations that one can learn to manipulate these 4 segments that form the process of creation. You can dig deeper into this science of breathing, but you have now known the basic formula. और इस बेसिक फार्मूला को अभी तक हम गलत सही कैसे भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं विदाउट अ केयर और अ कंसर्न. और फिर भी देखो ना, ये शरीर, मानव शरीर 60-70 साल बिना वारंटी कार्ड के दे देती है ना यार. 80 भी हो सकता है, 85 भी हो सकता है. So experiment with it. Enjoy it while it is there. There is a treatise on pranayam called Vijnana Bhairav Tantra. Vijnana भैरव तंत्र मतलब भैरव तंत्र विज्ञान. अब वो संस्कृत में इसलिए उल्टा सीधा कैसे भी लिख सकते हो आप. भैरव तंत्र विज्ञान. It has some 100 odd different techniques. Some are manipulation of breath, some are manipulation of dhyana, your focus, attention, like that. Now this Vijnana Bhairav Tantra, the only palpable commentary I could find online is by Osho, and it runs into 6 volumes, just to tell you how potent the stuff might be. And it only forms one chapter of the Rudra Yamala Tantra, the book of secrets of existence. रुद्र यामल तंत्र, उसका एक चैप्टर है विज्ञान भैरव तंत्र, जिसके 6 वॉल्यूम की कमेंट्री है ओशो की, और तो कहीं कुछ नहीं है. उस विज्ञान भैरव तंत्र का एक ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक is what creates China and Japan, Chinese and the Japanese people, that entire race, much healthier than the rest of the globe. Don't go by size, go by their overall health. Not in modern times, maybe. I am not sure of how healthy they are they have been in the past 20 years, but by and large far more healthier. And all their martial art practices have imbibed with this one technique of breathing, and it's held as secrets. And it has exactly the 4 components I've just told you, because no other component is possible in breathing. So you could start with no breath, you don't have a choice. How can you start breathing in with a lung full? So no breath. You breathe in. Now if you hereafter watch any Kung Fu, Tai Chi, Qigong practices, you will find this movement happening in this rhythm. So when you breathe in and you stop, the breath will turn upward, it will exit, so you breathe out, and when it stops, it will turn inward, and breathe in, it goes in, when it is full, it will turn upward, and you breathe out. All their movements are determined by just this one secret. Unfortunately, 5000 साल की सभ्यता हमारे लिए महज थोड़ा सा चम्मच भर गौरवान्वित होने के लिए बच गया बस. So the science of breathing or the pranayama party is only about this. How can I love myself more and learn to breathe in a way that I get to experience, enjoy this life for what it's worth, and it's worth tons. The universe can't be stupid to have put in so much effort, so much of conspiracy to make you happen. Let nobody make you believe that you are not worthy. And let me tell you, the entire society, system, family, parents, governments, everybody is out to make you believe that you are not worthy enough. तुम्हें कुछ नाच के दिखाना पड़ेगा, नौटंकी करना पड़ेगा, ताकि वो तुम्हें गुड, एक्सेलेंट, वेरी गुड, स्टार सर्टिफिकेट दे सकें, which tells you, yeah, I am worthy. The universe decided many years ago, whatever your age is, that you are worthy of this life, of this opportunity. उसकी सुनो, बाकी सारी बकवास डस्टबिन में डाल दो.